Hey learners, this is Pranshi Verma. Welcome to my channel guys. In today's YouTube session, we are going to discuss computer fundamentals and basics of computers multiple choice question and answer for your all competitive and regular examination. Okay, and this is part 1 of computer fundamental multiple choice question and answer. In this, your first question is the term computer is derived from options are option A Latin, option B German, option C French, option D Arabic. So here right answer is option A Latin word compute. Okay, so right answer here is option A. Next question, who is the inventor of difference engine? Option A Alan Turing, option B Charles Babbage, option C Seymour Cray, option D Augusta Adaming. Right answer is option B Charles Babbage. Okay, the inventor of difference engines was Charles Babbage. Okay, Charles Babbage is the inventor of difference engine. Next question, who is the father of computer? Option A Alan Turing, option B Charles Babbage, option C Seymour Cray, option D Augusta Adaming. Right answer also here option B Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is the father of computer. Next question, who is the father of computer science? Option A Alan Turing, option B Charles Babbage, option C Seymour Cray, option D Augusta Adaming. Right answer is option A Alan Turing. Alan Turing is the father of computer science. Next question, who is the father of personal computer? Option A Edward Robert, option B Alan Turing, option C Charles Babbage, option D none of these. Right answer is option A Edward Robert. Okay, Edward Robert is the father of personal computer. Next question, a CPU contains option A card reader and a printing device, option B an analytical engine and a control unit, option C a control unit and an arithmetic logic unit, option D an arithmetic logic unit and a card reader. Right answer here is option C. A CPU contains a control unit and an arithmetic logic unit. Okay, and option A, B, D are wrong here and option C is right one. So right answer is option C. A CPU contains a control unit and an arithmetic logic unit. Next question, which of the following controls the process of interaction between the user and the operating system? Option A user interface, option B language translator, option C platform, option D a screensaver. Right answer is option A user interface. Okay, user interface controls the process of interaction between the user and the operating system. Next question, the first computer were programmed using option A assembly language, option B machine language, option C source code, option D object code. Right answer is option B machine language. Okay, the first computers were programmed using machine language. Next question, blank space is a combination of hardware and software that facilitates the sharing of information between computing devices. Option A network, option B peripheral, option C expansion board, option D digital device. Right answer here is option A network. Network is a combination of hardware and software that facilitates the sharing of information between computing devices. Okay, next question, coded entries which are used to gain access to a computer system are called option A entry codes, option B passwords, option C security commands, option D code words. Right answer is option B passwords. Okay, coded entries which are used to gain access to a computer system are called passwords. Next question, which of the following statement is true? Statement 1 and option A is Mini computer works faster than microcomputer. Next one, microcomputer works faster than mini computer. Next one, speed of both the computers is the same. And next one, the speeds of both these computers cannot be compared with the speed of advanced. And right answer here is option A. Mini computer works faster than microcomputers. Next question. You organize files by storing them in option A, archives, option B, folders, option C, indexes, option D, list. Right answer is option B, folders. Okay. You organize files by storing them in folders in computer system. Next question. What type of resources is most likely to be shared common resources in a computer network? Option A, printers. Option B, speakers. Option C, floppy disk drives. Option D, keyboards. Right answer here is option A, printers. Printers resources most likely to be shared common resources in a computer network. Okay, next question. Which device is required for the internet connection? Option A, joystick. Option B, modem. Option C, CD drive. Option D, NIC card. Okay, and right answer here is option B, modem. Okay, modem is required for the internet connection. Next question. What is a light pen? Option A mechanical input device. Option B, optical input device. Option C, electronic input device. Option D, optical output device. Right answer is option B, optical input device. Light pen is a optical input device. Next question. UNIVAC is option A, universal automatic computer. Option B, universal array computer. Option C, unique automatic computer. Option D, unvalued automatic computer. And here right answer is option A, universal automatic computer. Okay, UNIVAC stands for universal automatic computer. Next question. CD-ROM stands for option A, compactable read-only memory. Option B, compact data read-only memory. Option C, compactable disk read-only memory. Option D, compact disk read-only memory. And here right answer is option A, compactable read-only memory. CD-ROM stands for compactable read-only memory. Next question. ALU is option A, arithmetic logic unit. Option B, array logic unit. Option C, application logic unit. Option D, none of above. Right answer is option A, arithmetic logic unit. ALU stands for arithmetic logic unit. Next question. VGA is option A, video graphics array. Option B, visual graphics array. Option C, volatile graphics array. Option D, video graphics adapter. Right answer is option A, video graphics array. VGA stands for video graphics array. Next question. IBM 1401 is option A, first generation computer. Option B, second generation computer. Option C, third generation computer. Option D, fourth generation computer. Right answer is option B, second generation computer. IBM 1401 is second generation computer. Okay. Next question. MSI stands for option A, medium scale integrated circuits. Option B, medium system integrated circuits. Option C, medium scale intelligent circuit. Option D, medium system intelligent circuit. Right answer is option A, medium scale integrated circuits. Next question. The capacity of 3.5-inch floppy disk is option A, 1.40 megabyte. Option B, 1.44 gigabyte means TB. Option C, 1.40 gigabyte. and option D 1.44 MB means megabyte. Okay, and here right answer is option D. The capacity of 3.5-inch floppy disk is 1.44 megabyte. Next question. WAN stands for option A BAP area network, option B wide area network, option C wide area net, option D wireless area network. Right answer is option B wide area network. Next question. MICR stands for option A magnetic ink character reader, option B magnetic ink code reader, option C magnetic ink cases reader, option D none. Right answer here is option A magnetic ink character reader. Next question. EBCDIC stands for option A extended binary coded decimal interchange code, option B extended bit code decimal interchange code, option C extended bit case decimal interchange code, option D extended binary case decimal interchange code. Right answer is option A. EBCDIC stands for extended binary coded decimal interchange code. Next question. Which of the following is a part of central processing unit? Option A printer, option B keyboard, option C mouse, option D arithmetic and logic unit. Right answer here is option D arithmetic and logic unit. Next question. CAD stands for option A computer aided design, option B computer algorithm for design, option C computer application in design, option D computer analog design. And right answer here is option A computer aided design. CAD stands for computer aided design. Next question. Junk email is also called option A spam, option B spoof, option C a sniffer script, option D spool. Right answer is option A spam. Junk email is also called spam emails. Next question. Hackers, option A all have the same motive, option B break into other people's computers, option C may legally break into computers as long as they do not any damage, option D are people who are allergic to computers. Right answer here is option B. Hackers break into other people's computers. Okay. Next question. What type of computers are client computers most of the time in a client server system? Option A mainframe, option B mini computer, option C microcomputer, option D PDA. Right answer here is option C microcomputers. Microcomputers are client computers most of the time in a client server system. Next question. A computer cannot boot if it does not have the option A compiler, option B loader, option C operating system, option D assembler. Right answer here is option C operating system. This is very basic and very important question. A computer cannot boot if it does not have the OS operating system. Okay. Next question. The amount of vertical space between lines of text in a document is called option A double space, option B line spacing, option C single space, option D vertical spacing. Right answer is option B line spacing. The amount of vertical space between lines of text in a document is called line spacing. Next question. Example of non-numeric data is option A employee address, option B examination score, option C bank balance, option D all of these. Right answer is option A employee address. Okay. Example of non-numeric data is employee address. Next question. What is embedded system? Option A a program which arrives by being wrapped in box, Option B, the program which is the permanent part of the computer. Option C, the computer which is the part of a big computer. Option D, the computer and software system that control the machine. Right answer is option D. Embedded system is the computer and software system that control the machine. Okay. Option D is right here. Next question. First page of website is termed as option A, home page, option B, index, option C, JavaScript, option D, bookmark. Right answer is option A, home page. Okay, home page is the first page of website. Next caption, blank space is the appearance of typed characters. Option A, size, option B, format, option C, point, option D, color. Right answer is option B, format. Okay, format is the appearance of typed characters. Next question, when a file is saved for the first time, option A copy is automatically printed. Option B, it must be given a name to identify it. Option C, it does not need a name. Option D, it only needs a name if it's not going to be printed. So here, right answer is option B. When a file is saved for the first time, it must be given a name to identify it. Okay. Next question. Offices LANs which are scattered geographically on large scale can be connected by the use of corporate. Option A, CAN. Option B, LAN. Option D, TAN. Option D, WAN. Right answer is option D, WAN. Wide area networks. Okay. Next question. Where are data and programs stored when the processes use them? Option A, main memory. Option B, secondary memory. Option C, disk memory. Option D, program memory. Right answer here is option A, main memory. Okay. Main memory are data and program stored when the processor uses them. Next caption, blank space represent raw facts, whereas blank space is data made meaningful. This is very important question for all competitive examination. Option A, information and reporting. Option B, data and information. Option C, information and bits respectively. Option D, records and bytes respectively. And here, right answer is option B, data and information. Okay. Data represents raw facts and whereas information is data made meaningful. Okay. Next question. What characteristics of read-only memory ROM makes it useful? Option A, ROM information can be easily updated. Option B, data in ROM is non-volatile, that is, it remains there even without electrical power. Option C, ROM provides very large amount of inexpensive data storage. Option D, ROM chips are easily swapped between different brands of computers. This is also very important question and the right answer here is option B. Data in ROM is non-volatile. Okay, ROM is a non-volatile memory and ROM stands for read-only memory and that is it remains there even without electrical power. Okay, this is the characteristics of ROM and that's why ROM is very useful memory in your computer system. Next question. What do you call the programs that are used to find out possible faults and their causes? Option A, operating system extensions. Option B, cookies. Option C, diagnostic software. Option D, boot disketters. Okay, so right answer here is option C, diagnostic softwares. Okay. Diagnostic software call the programs that are used to find out possible faults and their causes. Okay. Next question. Which programming language are classified as low-level languages? Option A, Basic, COBOL and Fortran. Option B, Prolog. Option C, C and C++. Option D, assembly languages. Okay. So right answer here is option D. Assembly languages are classified as low-level languages. Next question. Which of the following is not antivirus software? Option A, NAV. Option B, FPROT. Option C, Oracle. Option D, MCFE. So right answer here is option C, Oracle. Okay. Oracle is not antivirus software. Next question. Which device is required for the internet connection? So right answer here is option B. Modem is required for internet connection. Next question. What does DMA stands for? Option A, distinct memory access. Option B, direct memory access. Option C, direct module access. Option D, direct memory allocation. Right answer is option B, direct memory access. DMA stands for direct memory access. Next question. Which of the following is a storage device? Option A, tape. Option B, hard disk. Option C, floppy disk. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above, because tape, hard disk, floppy disk, pen drives, they all are the storage devices. Next question. When did John Napier develop the logarithm? Okay, this is also very important question. Option A, in 1416. Option B, in 1614. Option C, 1641. Option D, in 1804. So right answer here is option B. In 1614, John Napier developed logarithm. Okay, 80 megabytes. Option D, 680 GB. And right answer is option C, 680 megabyte. A normal CD-ROM usually can store up to 680 megabyte data. Next question. MIS is designed to provide information needed for effective decision making by option A, consumers. Option B, workers. Option C, foremen. Option D, managers. And here right answer is option D, managers. MIS is designed to provide information needed for effective decision making by managers. Okay guys, now let's wind up the lecture. See you in the next video, means computer fundamental multiple choice question and answer part 2. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates and please share this video with your friends. Thanks a lot.